Okay, we're out here with the SCCY DVG-1 pistol. Now these SCCY pistols kind of got a bad rep. A lot of people kind of don't like them. And I remember when they first come out, they had to change the name from the vodka name to a different name. But I remember I had one way back and there were a bunch of issues. The gun was accurate when you get it to work, but it didn't work well. And something about the spring and the double action hammer, the way it was put in. But the strange thing is the company had a lifetime warranty on them. If you go to the company now, they kind of say that they don't do that anymore. But they're still an interesting gun, and for like 200 bucks, I know I did some videos on this one and 380. A lot of people have a bad impression, but for what I paid for it and how it works, I can't complain. Thumb's a little injured. Well, let's go down and see what we done. And that's basically a 20 feet, just hammering away. All of them stayed on the paper. So I'm not going to complain for a defense handgun. You know, that's good enough for me for 200 bucks. Alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.